Hawkins here with Chickenhawkfarmstead, and today I got something I think is pretty cool. This is from ANBULL. I ordered this off Amazon. It's a 25-inch SDS Max floor scraper. We're going to pop this thing open, check it out. I'm not going to be able to use it right now, but it's more of an unboxing. We're going to check it out, see what it looks like. And it looks like it's going to be a pretty heavy-duty piece of equipment. So we'll be right back to take a look at it. Alright, let's get this out of the box. This is the original shipping box here. This thing's probably, I don't know, every bit of 10 pounds or more. Didn't really weigh it. But, like I said, it's not the lightest box. So we'll crack this thing open. So there we got a box, and we got a box in the box. It's always a good start. It means the tool's going to arrive undamaged. Oh, yeah. Not the lightest thing. Okay. Yes, that is going to do some heavy duty scraping. I'll tell you that right now. Looks like we got the bolts right there. Well, bubble wrapped. Whew. Even when you're done scraping, you can use this thing just to work out, it feels like. God dang. Look at that. Yeah, that's a massive paddle right there. Whew. So, it's all wrapped up. It does come old, so it's not going to rust on you. That's good. You can see some residual oil in the packaging. As much as it causes a little bit of a mess, I mean, when you're in a clean environment, it's nice not to get something rusted. I've ordered stuff in the past, and it shows up. It won't be packaged at all like this, just kind of loose out there. And yeah, you'll have some spot rusting already and stuff. So definitely a nice little thing there. And that thing is gonna take a beating. That is solid. I don't know if you can see that right there. And I saw when I ordered this, they do have these for replacement, so that's really nice. Your little design there. And they even come with extra hardware, I guess, in case you break this, or if you get another one, or if you vibrate those loose. So it said it was a 25-inch tool. Let's go ahead and measure this and see how long it is of actual working area, because this is our SDS Max. So we're going to be sliding that onto our hammer drill. But overall, from the very tip to the very end of the tool, what we got? It looks like we got 24. Alright, I'm pretty sure, I'll put the listing over here or something, that it said 25. This is a little bit shorter. I don't know how exactly measured, maybe including part of the tool. But you are going to be, standing up behind that drill and going at it. And you can see right here, I think, you got a pretty decent thick little blade there. Depending on what your application is, it says a floor scraper. I can think of a lot of different places that, you might want to have to scrape something off. Right now we're in the middle of an ice storm. Might need to use this tomorrow to get out of the house. You never know. Let's see if we can get a measure on this. Don't have out my little gauge. What are we looking at? Maybe, what's that, 1/16 of an inch. That's a pretty thick, I mean, that thing, that's not flimsy. I thought it was going to be a little flimsy thing you kind of push down and it was going to just go at it, but no, that's a nice, thick, heavy-duty blade. You're going to be able to take up some really nasty stuff off the floor if you need to, or like I said, any kind of good scraping job. And this thing, like I said, it's heavy. You can tell this is all solid. Looks like it's cast. You can see kind of little marks from the casting. And then, okay, I was hoping maybe it came with an Allen wrench in there. It doesn't. So you're going to need a decent sized Allen wrench to get that thing out. Everything is tight though, and it looks like it's good to go. But yeah, overall, if you don't need a scraper, you got a heck of a weapon here. So I think that's pretty cool. I'm excited to get this thing onto the hammer drill and check it out there. Like I said, this is just unboxed right now. So once we put this to any kind of use, check back and make sure you see that. There'll be a link in the description below. I think this thing ran around $80 or $90. It wasn't too bad. But yeah, we're going to be, like I said, putting this to good use here soon. So that's it for now. That thing's awesome. Have a good one, and we'll talk to you later.